Welcome to this explainer. Do me a quick favor and just clear away your distractions for a few minutes, because today we are breaking down a monumental shift that is happening in the workforce right this second. We're looking at the 8 essential skills for the AI career revolution. It's time to face the reality of the massive AI gap in our offices and exactly how you can ensure you end up on the winning side of it.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Just consider this stark contrast for a moment. Right now, there is a 22-year-old in Manchester, no degree, who's earning £90 an hour using a completely free AI app. Meanwhile, a 45-year-old senior manager in Chicago was just replaced. And not by a younger employee, mind you, but by a software tool that costs literally $20 a month. You see, this isn't some far-off prediction for the future. This completely different set of career outcomes is happening right now, today.
85 million. The World Economic Forum actually predicts that 85 million jobs will be entirely displaced by AI and automation by the year 2027. I mean, that is less than 2 years away. It's a pretty sobering number for sure, but it's only half of the story. Here's the other half, and honestly, this is where things get genuinely exciting. 97 million. That's the number of brand new roles that will be created for those who adapt over that exact same timeline. But here's the catch. To claim one of those 97 million roles, you're going to need a completely different set of skills that most people haven't even heard of yet.
Now, what's really interesting about this data is the massive disconnect it reveals. A 2024 McKinsey survey shows that 65% of companies are actively using AI. But look at the other side. Only 10% of employees actually feel confident using it. That massive gap, that is your ultimate opportunity. Because companies, they aren't waiting for their staff to catch up. They're just promoting the people who figure it out fast.
So, Section 1, Foundational AI Skills. These are your first 3 foundational skills, basically your gateway to mastering these tools.
Skill number 1 is prompt engineering. Look, most people treat AI like a basic search engine, right? They ask for generic outputs and, well, they get garbage in return. Prompt engineering is the actual art of giving clear, highly structured instructions. For example, a primary school teacher in Leeds used this exact skill to structure her lesson plans. She managed to cut a 4-hour task down to just 25 minutes. Then, she used that saved time to launch a tutoring business, and she now earns an extra £1,200 a month. And hey, if you're wondering how much demand there is for this out in the real world, just look at this staggering projection. 3.5 million. LinkedIn projects that job listings globally, specifically asking for prompt-related skills, will hit this massive number by 2026.
Skill number 2 is AI output evaluation. Now, to understand why this matters so much, you need to understand a very, very dangerous flaw known as hallucination. This is basically when an AI tool confidently makes something up and presents it as absolute fact. Make no mistake, AI tools lie, and knowing exactly how to catch them is critical.
Let me tell you a story that shows exactly why fact-checking and auditing AI logic is such an essential, though shockingly rare skill. Back in 2023, a New York lawyer submitted a legal brief to a federal court. It contained 6 case citations. Well, all 6 were completely fake. ChatGPT just invented them, and the lawyer didn't bother to check. He nearly lost his law license over this. You just cannot blindly trust AI outputs. You absolutely have to evaluate them.
Skill number 3 is workflow automation design. Imagine this kind of logical sequence. You use ChatGPT to write your text, Canva AI to instantly generate the visuals, and then Buffer to schedule it all. A freelance social media manager down in Austin built this exact system. She mapped out all the repetitive parts of her job and matched them to the right AI tools. And without writing a single line of code, she turned a 22-hour workweek into a 3-hour workweek. Let's move to Section 2 and see how this builds. This is the human layer, shifting from the tools themselves to the human elements that actually create the value.
Skill number 4 is data storytelling. Listen to this quote from Gartner. 71% of business leaders say the biggest problem with AI-generated reports is that they feel cold, robotic, and emotionally flat. You see, AI can instantly generate data, charts, and reports in seconds, but it cannot make people care about them. That human insight, it's missing. And this brilliantly illustrates how applying this skill is an absolute game changer for your career. A data analyst in London realized her AI-generated reports were just falling flat, so she restructured them into compelling human narratives. The result? She secured a promotion to head of insights and got a massive salary jump from £48,000 to £74,000. It was the exact same data, just a much, much better story.
Next up, skill number 5 is AI tool curation.
Guys, right now there are over 10,000 specialized AI tools out there. It's not just about using one big, broad tool anymore. A recruiter in Birmingham learned how to curate. She tested and found 3 specific tools for her exact workflow. And by using the right combination, she processed 400 applications in the time it used to take her to review just 40. She literally doubled her placement rate and now charges £500 a day.
Skill number 6 is human-AI collaboration. You've really got to set up a strict division of labor here. AI is incredible at pattern recognition, speed, and scale. Humans? We own empathy, ethics, judgment, and creativity. A US e-commerce director actually used this exact setup. She let AI handle 80% of the basic queries automatically, while her human team focused purely on emotional distress and complex refunds. Customer satisfaction skyrocketed by 34% in just 90 days.
Which brings us to Section 3, Essential Survival Skills. And these aren't just career boosters. These are absolute survival mechanisms for the next decade.
Skill 7 is continuous learning. The truth is, these tools change so rapidly that the habit of learning is far more important than whatever specific tool you happen to know today. Take this 19-year-old in Glasgow. She simply spent 45 minutes every Sunday exploring one new tool. That's it. By month 8, she had tested over 30 of them, and frankly, understood the landscape better than veterans with 15 years of experience. At age 20, with 0 degree, she landed a £38,000 AI strategy role.
And Skill 8 is AI ethics and critical thinking. £25 million. That is the staggering amount a UK financial firm lost back in 2024. How did it happen? A single employee was tricked by a deepfake video call of their CFO authorizing a payment. As AI gets more powerful, it gets more dangerous. You absolutely must build a critical thinking framework to question and verify AI outputs before you act on them.
Let's transition into Section 4, Winning the AI Revolution. It's time to combine everything we've explored into a single, actionable roadmap.
As you can see, these 8 individual pieces don't just exist in a vacuum. They combine into one incredibly powerful, interconnected system. Prompt engineering gets you the outputs. Evaluation keeps them accurate. Workflow design gives you speed. Data storytelling provides the human impact. Tool curation puts the right apps in your hands. Human collaboration maintains empathy. Continuous learning keeps you ahead of the curve. And ethics ensures you do it all safely. And the financial payoff for mastering this whole system is undeniably real. IBM research highlights that professionals who combine technical AI knowledge with these specific human skills earn on average 26% more than their peers who only possess the technical know-how. So the crucial point here is this multiplier, 3.4. Oxford Internet Institute research shows that professionals actively building their AI skills are 3.4 times more likely to get a promotion or a salary increase. Not just slightly more likely, 3.4 times. Which brings us to the ultimate question you have to answer today. Out of these 8 skills, which one will you start learning in the next 90 days? The window to get a full year ahead of everyone else is closing incredibly fast. Don't sit around waiting for your company to train you. Pick one skill, start this Sunday, and take control of your own career revolution. Thank you for joining us for this explainer, and definitely be sure to dive into our next one, where we continue to decode the information you need to stay ahead.